Meine Damen und Herren, bitte begrüßen Sie mit einem herzlichen Applaus Ihre Gastgeberin und Kreuzfahrtdirektorin Caro Dinter.
Ja, hallo liebe Gäste und herzlich willkommen im Theater. Geht's Ihnen gut? Ja? Urlaub, ne? Das ist die richtige Einstellung. Im Urlaub sollte es einem immer gut gehen und ich hoffe, Sie haben den Landtag heute auch genossen. Es war authentisch schottisches Wetter, würde ich mal sagen. Das haben wir für Sie vorbereitet, aber das hat auch zur Folge, dass wir uns heute hier im Theater eingefunden haben. Das war schon für gestern geplant. Also es ist alles ein bisschen durcheinander, aber ich hoffe, wir kommen jetzt ab diesem Moment wieder auf Spur, was auch die Veranstaltungen angeht. Ich freue mich also, dass wir uns heute hier im Theater sehen, denn wir haben die Show für Sie vorbereitet, die eigentlich gestern für Sie geplant war, und das ist die Rockshow. Freuen Sie sich auf einige der bekanntesten Rocksongs. Präsentiert werden Ihnen die heute von den Blizzards, unserer Showband. Ich wünsche Ihnen einen wunderschönen guten Abend und viel Spaß.
Thank you, Dankeschön. So welcome to our rock show, a show Blizzards play for you tonight in theater. And we want to invite you to our trip and fly away for the rock vibes. I wish that I could fly to the sky, so very high, just like a dragonfly. I fly upon the trees of fantasies in all degrees to anywhere I please. Oh, I want to get away. I wanna fly away. Yeah, yeah, yeah. I want to get away. I wanna fly away. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Let's go to see the stars, to Milky Way, or even Mars. Well, it could just be ours. Let's fly into the sun, get the spirit fly when we are one, just for a little fun. Ooh, 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 yeah. I want to get away. I wanna fly away. Yeah, yeah, yeah. I want to get away. I wanna fly away. Yeah, yeah, yeah. I want to get away. I wanna fly away. Yeah, yeah, yeah. I want to get away. I wanna fly away. Yeah, yeah, yeah. I want to get away. 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 I wanna fly away. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Thank you, danke.
Saw him dance there by the rhythm machine. You must have been about 17. The band was going strong. Play my favorite tune, and I could tell it won't belong if he was with me.
Yeah, I'm here.
And I could tell it won't belong if he was with me.
Yeah, I'm here.
See, I love rock and roll. Spoon out of dime and a G-box, baby. I love rock and roll. So come and take your time and dance with me. Smile so I got up and asked for his name. 'Cause automatic sick, 'cause it's all the same. I said, can I take you home where we can be alone? And next we're moving on, and he was with me. Yeah, I'm here. And next we're moving on, and he was with me. Yeah, I'm here. Sing, I love rock and roll. Spoon out of dime and a G-box, baby. I love rock and roll. vielen Dank. Thank you very much.
Tommy used to work on the docks. Unit's been a strike. He's down on his luck. It's tough. So tough. Gina wants it done all day. Working for a man. She brings home a bake for love. We gotta hold on to what we've got. It doesn't make a difference if we make it or not. We've got each other, and that's a lot for love. We'll give it a shot. Oh, we are waiting. Oh, living on a prayer. Take my hand, we'll make it, I swear. Oh, living on a prayer. Tommy got his sister in knock. Now he's hard and run. He used to make it talk so tough. So tough. Gina drifts running away. While she cries in the night, Tommy whispers, baby, it's okay. Someday we gotta hold on to what we've got. It doesn't make a difference if I made it or not. We've got each other, and that's a lot for love. We'll give it a shot. Oh, we are waiting. Oh, living on a prayer. Take my hand, we'll make it, I swear. Wow, living on a prayer, living on a prayer. We gotta hold on, ready or not. Live for the fight while there's no one to come. Oh, we are waiting. Oh, living on a prayer. Take my hand, we'll make it, I swear. Oh, living on a prayer. Oh, we are waiting. Oh, living on a prayer. Take my hand, we'll make it, I swear. Oh, living on a prayer, living on a prayer. Thank you, danke. inside. Woman, you need
Thank you, danke.
Took a jump down in the city, walking for the men every night and day. And I never lost one minute of sleeping, worrying about the way that things might have been. Big wheel keep on turning, brown Mary keep on burning. And we're rolling much. I never meant to cause you any sorrow. I never meant to cause you any pain. I only wanted one time to see you laughing. I only want to see you laughing in the purple rain, purple rain, purple rain, purple rain, purple rain, purple rain, purple rain. I only want to see you bathing in the purple rain. I never want to be your weekend lover. Only wanted one time to be afraid, baby. I could never steal you from another. Oh no. It's such a shame our friendship had to end. Purple rain, purple rain, purple rain, purple rain, purple rain, purple rain. I only want to see you underneath the purple rain. Honey, I know the times are changing. It's time we all reach out for something new that means you too. You say you want another leader, but you can't seem to make up your mind. I think you better close and let me guide you to the purple rain, purple rain, purple rain, purple rain, purple rain, purple rain, purple rain. I only want to see you underneath the purple rain. Thank you.
Mama just killed a man, put a gun against his head, pull my trigger, now he's dead. Mama, life have just begun, but now I've got a gun throw away. Mama, didn't mean to make you cry. If I'm not back again this time tomorrow, carry on, 'cause nothing really matters. It's too late, my time has come. Some shivers down my spine, body's aching all the time. Goodbye, everybody, I've got to go. Gotta leave you all behind and face the truth. Mama, I don't want to die. Sometimes wish I'd never be born alone. So you think you can stop me and spit in my eyes? So you think you can love me and leave me to die? Oh, baby, can't do this to me, baby. Just gotta get out, just gotta get out of here. Nothing really matters. Anyone can see. Nothing really matters. Nothing really matters to me. Thank you, danke.
So far, we came to the end, and the next song gonna be our last song for today, unfortunately. And this song we're gonna sing for you, for our guest. It's a song of Tina Turner, "Simply the Best." I call you when I need you, my heart is on fire. You come to me wild and wild. When you come to me, give me everything I need. Give me life. lifetime promises in the world of dreams. Speak the language of love like I know that it means. And can't be wrong. Say my heart and make it true. You're simply the best, better than all the rest, better than anyone I've ever met. I'm stuck on your heart. I held every word you said. I tears apart. Baby, I would rather be dead. Relax, it's the start of every night and every day. Rise and get lost and get rushed away. Just as long as I'm here in your arms, I can be no enemies. You're simply the best, better than all the rest, better than anyone I've ever met. I'm stuck on your heart. I held every word you say. I tears apart. Baby, I would rather be dead. Each time you leave me, it's the losing control. Walking away with my heart and my soul. I can feel you when I'm alone. Hold me there, till I go.
So thank you everyone for coming and listening. It was a pleasure to play for you this show tonight. And to finish nice, so we want to introduce some people who helped us, because without them it won't be possible. So first of all, our sound engineer right there.
Robin!
Robin, applause to you. Our stage technician who made this nice tent for our drummer, Eugen. Can you come here? No? Yes, he's coming. This guy. All right. For these nice lights and smoke and everything, this guy upstairs. Dennis, applause for you. Our all-around technician, Alexi and Neil, and our manager, theater manager, Teresa. And it's time to introduce ourselves. So, on my right, our piano player, Araceli.
Our amazing drummer, Vlad.
Our bass player, Roman. Woo!
Our guitar player and singer, Dima. Thank you very much. Thank you for your applause. Thank you for your coming. It was a pleasure to play for you. Thank you.
Thank you very much, everyone.
Thank you.